everybody. You are going to receive a beautiful ponytail holder for showtime, not the little white things that were in your bag holding your park passes together, okay? That's just for you to have on a daily basis, a regular daily basis. So, Ella Kate, I'm going to put her hair in a really high ponytail. It's kind of ideal. Oh, you know what? We want this to be off to the side, like so. And then I'm going to use a regular ponytail holder in her hair to make sure we get it nice and tight. So you want to use your personal ponytail holder first. How you hanging in there, AK? Am I hurting you? No. Okay, good. So she's got a nice high ponytail. Then what you're going to get today looks like this. So you're going to just ignore that and use the ponytail holder to do the same thing with your ponytail. Go around nice and tight with it. You don't want to only do 1 or 2 loops, but you want to try to do 3. And if EK's hair can handle 3 rotations with that rubber band, I think everybody can. Now, here's this clip. It's so cool. It opens up and you just clip it around the ponytail. Now, if it doesn't completely close because your hair is so thick, just try to rotate that to the back and underside of it. But that's going to give us the nice diamond sparkle we need for your high ponytails. Cat ears go last. So you want to slide the headband in the hair, behind the band, and behind the ear, of course. So let's see if we can. And you want to do it like a bobby pin. These headbands are really nice. The metal is easy to work with to go behind the hair, inside the strands, making the ponytail. And then you want to make sure you tuck the bottom pieces of the headband, cat ear headband, behind the sweaty headband, like that. Okay? Does that feel secure? Does it?
Yes.
Okay.